Okay. Hey everyone. We are back. It's Mandy and Mario, and we're here with our September. Wait. Oh my gosh, I'm good. Yeah, September snack crate. Woo! So I know it's like mid-October, but
she looked in it.
No, I didn't. You're the one that you're the one that unsealed it. I didn't look at it.
She said she.
Anyways, whatever. Anyways, like I was saying, it's late because they are a little behind with all the hurricanes and stuff they had, I guess. So, even though we're mid-October, we are doing our September snack crate, and let's see what it is. You want to see since you're accusing me?
No, you open it.
Ah ha ha.
No way.
So it's Road Trip through America. Oh, that's odd. So, says this month we're going on a road trip.
What?
Oh, look how cute. No, let me show. That's cute. It has a little Route 66.
Awesome.
Cute. I like the packaging of
right?
One. And then it came with,
it's worth the wait. Worth the wait.
So this is just showing the stuff it has.
Well, don't.
What? Okay, go. I like the sticker.
I want it.
I hope they give you like another one that's like.
You ruined it.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Here we go. Me first or you first? Me first.
Go.
Okay, so we got salty and spicy Chesapeake crab, Route 11 potato chips, kettle cooked potatoes.
Ooh.
There you go. And what is this from? Virginia. So it says this spicy, briny taste that makes crab so delicious is now captured in chip form from Virginia.
You're gonna love this one.
I don't know.
I am.
Let me see. I like the packaging. It's really cute. I mean, it just smells like chips. Like barbecue.
I'm gonna love these.
You don't know what I mean, hey.
They're good. I don't
They're really salty.
Ooh, they're good. They are salty.
They're good, but how do you describe it? It just seems like a cooking seasoning or something, huh?
Cajun.
Put it on there. Like a Cajun seasoning.
Basically.
Well, whatever they season the crabs with. I don't eat crabs, so I don't know.
Cajun. It's good.
Okay, next.
Let's do another chip. I'm gonna use that one.
What is that one called? I can't just say look at that. What is it
Barbecue flavored. Better made special.
Since 1930.
1930.
So these are
Barbecue flavored.
these spicy sweet chips from Michigan.
Michigan?
They're from Michigan.
That's cool. Michigan.
Okay, let's see.
Ooh.
Oh, barbecue chips. They're good. They're real salty.
They're airy. I like that. They're real light.
I like these.
Ooh, I like these too.
Mm-hmm. Those are good. My turn. I'll leave that for you.
Michigan?
My favorite.
What
jerkies. I don't know, but I like any elk. Oh, I love elk jerky.
Elk
so anyone that knows me knows I love any kind of jerky.
Alligator
jerky, turkey jerky, alligator jerky, elk jerky, venison jerky, ostrich jerky.
All that.
I love jerky. So I'm so excited. So this one
Send
is
us
from
whatever you want. Jerky people. Whatever.
He likes jerky too, but I love it. My God.
I also love Coors. Coors, send me whatever you want.
Oh, jeez. Anyways, we're not sponsored.
I'm not sponsoring, but hey, I will.
Can I read the elk jerky? Chewy and satisfied. Oh, this is from New Mexico. Okay. I'm so excited. I should save this for later.
Is there another one? I'm kind of bummed there's only one.
Oh, yeah, you got to taste it, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Get a bite. Mmm.
I didn't taste that one, let me see.
You sure good. Did.
That's good.
Moving on.
I bet it smiles from my face.
Me too. Let's put this like this. I really like this wrapping. I know, it's cute.
This is a good box. From the looks of it, look at. Oh, what? that a Zabba Zabba?
Zabba.
All right.
Abba Zabba. Not
Oh,
Zabba
Zabba.
Zabba.
What did I say?
Zabba Zabba.
Don't they have Zabbas here?
Yes, they sell them there.
Yeah.
But apparently, oh,
Soft and
it's in
chewy.
California. Salty peanut butter coated. Well, we know what Abba Zabba is.
Well, it's been a while.
Apparently, thank you, California, it says.
It's been a while.
That's
To
what
me,
I
it's like a
Smells good.
big hunk.
So, we're in Arizona over here. It's still like 100. I know it's mid-October, but it's still like 100 and some outside.
It's still.
So we're still getting melted stuff.
One shooting. It's like a big hunk to me.
Mm-hmm. But what's that? Well,
It's
that's
so
you.
good.
You like candy.
I gotta give them.
We're gonna take forever.
No, I'm putting it away.
Oh,
I don't want to stick to it.
what is this? Okay.
Ooh.
So,
the
there's
black and
this.
white cookie.
you know what this is?
No, I was doing the Seinfeld
I don't know what it is.
thing.
Was this in Seinfeld?
There's a.
Were they in New York
where
in Seinfeld?
Yeah.
Oh, well, then
They go to the
probably
donut place
because
and he gets a white and black.
it's called Joey's Black and White. It says these soft and fluffy cookies
They're
from
the
New
cookie.
York. See?
Oh, that's what it is. Yeah.
So, I mean, there's no packaging.
I gotta taste that. Oh, sorry.
Well, that's mine to put. It says, these soft and fluffy cookies from New York will put you in an empire state of mind. Separate the sides or eat them as one. What? Separate the sides.
Eat them as one. Because
Like
together
black
we
and
are
white?
one. Right.
I don't get what it means though.
Don't be a separator. Don't separate. Just bite it right
But I'm
here,
gonna do it in half.
and I'm gonna bite it over here.
Okay.
Separate.
Mmm.
Right?
Right. Did you hide it before?
No.
And then. Mmm. That's good.
Stay true to the cookie, Elaine. That's good.
Mm-hmm. Big old soft cookie. That's really.
That's good.
I know.
Like a donut and
Your
a
turn.
cookie.
Donuts, like Marcus. Okay. That's what you get for taking another bite. My turn.
You can't skip.
Well, hurry up. People don't want her. Oh, oh.
I want to get it out
I know
of
what
my
I'm
teeth.
opening next.
He's good too. He's really good. Okay.
I'm opening this one. Go. Go. Pick
Well,
one.
when did the rules change?
Pick
you can't
one.
You can't do that.
I make the rules. Have a killer.
Okay. Aunt Sally.
Creole
Creole
praline. You can't
praline.
just
You see
pause.
that?
You read one thing and then you pause. Right there, buddy.
Well, I'm blind, so it
Right
took me a
there.
while to see those little letterings.
That's why you need to get glasses.
I have to.
Because you're getting old.
I don't know if I'm gonna like this.
Well,
You want me to? I feel like you're rushing me.
No. I'm not rushing
Did
you.
you push me? Oh, this is.
Why do you open them like that?
What?
Okay,
Is it?
let's go. Halfies.
Jesus, getting on
What
me
is this
today,
called?
huh? I'm in today. Damn. Man.
Oh,
Oh, see, I'm
sweet.
not gonna like that.
It's like a pecan pie. I love pecan pie.
Oh, it's not bad. It's
It's just
sweet,
a lot.
though. Wow, it's real.
It's gonna take a little. Okay,
That's on your side.
now I know I just said I like a lot of jerky. Oh, I didn't even read that one where it's from. Louisiana. Well, I figured because it's Creole.
You figured.
Well, it says Creole. Where else would you think Creole?
Oh.
Louisiana. All right, so this one is from Hawaii. Tuna
What?
jerky.
Oh.
You know, I really love tuna.
Let's see. Let's say you
Jerky,
can jerky
but-
any meat and it tastes good. Let me see.
Yeah.
Let me
Oh,
see.
I like any other, but I've never had tuna.
I had
I
tuna
just moved-
fresh
I
off.
moved the whole thing right now. Sorry, the whole table. Okay, so it's Kaimana jerky. It says made in Hawaii, made with 100% wild caught tuna. So I'm nervous for this one. A little bit. I don't know.
Free mahi mahi.
Oh god. Smells like tuna.
Oh. Dude, if we had a cat, it'd be meow meow right
Okay,
here.
get it. You
I
get
don't
it
know if I can do
together.
that.
Come on.
Like, that's like eating
Just
cat
get
food.
one.
Hawaii, y'all love your fish,
Cheers,
huh?
cheers.
Oh, dude, look at.
It's good. It's not bad. You don't like it?
Yeah, I know. It says like
I'll
dried,
eat it.
dried tuna. Not that I had it. Oh,
Well,
God.
it's tuna jerky.
No, like that was okay. So
Yeah. That's pretty much what it is. Dried tuna.
You ever had a dried tuna sandwich? That's what I meant.
Oh. A dry. Okay. I get you. That was me, huh? Okay, your turn.
Wait up. Oh man, that was delicious.
Is this from
Okay.
Arizona? Yeah. I've never even heard of those.
Next, we gotta like
Pick
close our
one.
eyes and do it because
I heard those are good. Show what it is.
What's the top say?
A candy bar that put Idaho on the map. That's a stretch. But the fluffy chocolate flavor infused with coconut. Ooh, flakes is heavenly. I love chocolate and coconut.
Now, do you want me to open some way? 'Cause you got mad at me because I opened the other one wrong.
Well, yeah, because we don't eat it all, and then you have nowhere to put it because you just look at see.
Like
You could have just taken it out the top.
I thought I did it right this time.
No. Mm-mm. Men.
Can't do nothing right. Let me.
Nope.
No. How you know you like? You just can think. Oh, it's half of it.
We're gonna do half of this because
Making
we're
a
gonna have.
mess.
It's okay. I'm the one that claims. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I love it. That's on me right there.
Okay.
You're not that fond of it, are you? No, because you don't like that much chocolatey.
Nah.
You're
It's-
more
it's- You know what? It's pretty good though.
This is your type of candy. This is mine. See the difference? So I'm gonna go with this one. It's called Goo
I
Goo
was looking at
Cluster,
that one.
the original. Peanut, caramel, marshmallow, nougat, covered in milk
It's
chocolate.
nougat.
And this one is from Ooey Gooey Candy Clusters from
Ooey Gooey.
Tennessee.
What was the last one? Sure.
Idaho. Hi.
Tennessee. I'm gonna get that one next. I'm looking at that
Which
one.
one?
This one.
From Arizona. So this is all
How you gonna
mountain.
see that?
Well, because it
Is
is.
it don't look like the picture.
No, it's no. Now this one we have to rip open. That's stuck. I told you, it's still summer here.
You gotta open it like that.
Because it is stuck. Grab a piece.
Do I see peanuts?
I need a napkin. Mm-hmm. It's like a Snickers. Basically.
That's what it is. It's a Snickers. A flat Snickers.
A round one.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
That's not my style. I like Snickers. You're claiming stuff. Look at your pile.
No, that's just the stuff I've opened.
Yeah.
I only claim the jerky
Next.
for this one.
Hand me a napkin, please.
Here. Only water.
Okay. Cactus Candy. Cactus Candy Company. Look at that.
From right here in our state of Arizona. Small jelly gummies. And I've never even seen those or heard of
Oh,
them.
these
Tasted
gummies.
them. That's your thing too. And they're melted?
No.
No?
Look how
For
it looks.
once. Oh, it's just one big gummy? Yeah, it's just one big. Show them how it looks.
Right? It's like
One big gummy. I just want a little bite.
Like
you know, I'm not a-
homemade or something.
I'm not a fan. Let me just get a little
ooh,
corn.
it smells good.
What is it?
Think about it.
It smells like a
Prickle pear
cocktail to
cactus.
me. That's why I'm smelling it. But I can't. Reminds me of a cocktail, but I can't think of it. It's good. Prickly pear.
That's good. It's just
It reminds me of a cocktail. I just can't put my finger on it.
it's weird to me. I don't know.
Because the sugar's outside.
Yeah,
It's weird, but you're gonna keep eating it.
it's good. Interesting.
Interesting.
That's real good.
Okay, so the next one, or the last one, right? Is that it? No, that's it. Okay. That was quite a bit.
It was, huh?
Yeah. Let's see. So this one is, it says Marsha's Homemade Premium Quality Buckeyes. And this one is from Ohio. Oh, so my friends are over there, Derek and Dee. They know what this is
What up,
about
Dee?
then.
And Derek? What?
Yeah.
What up, Derek?
Oh, Sarah probably knows too. She lived in Ohio for a while.
What you want?
Hi, Cookie Girl.
Don't you
Let's
put
show
it.
her.
Don't you put
Yes, let's show my
Then
baby.
we're gonna get my
This is
dog.
my
Honey.
cookie. This is my cookie. Look at. Cookie,
Come on.
Look.
Come on, honey.
Cookie, look over there. Oh, to my baby.
Don't put your dog on camera. Put my dog. Check this out.
I love her.
Come here. Oh, cute.
Let's get this last one done.
Up. Check this out. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful.
Can't even see
Look
that.
at this. Look at it.
Honeys.
Honey.
Let me
she's
move it
too
down.
big. She's too big. Look at it. This is my baby.
Honeys.
Honey bear. See? She loved that. Okay.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
Crooked now.
Hey, your big old hand's in the way. At least do it from the side.
Let's go.
Oh, you made it crooked. See? Here, get one. Ah,
Those look good.
what are these of, though?
The missing one? There's only 3. Look like 4 could fit in there.
So these are chocolate peanut butter balls.
Ooh.
You should have just give me a piece because I don't like peanut butter. I'm just gonna get a little bite. Actually, my isn't bad. Tastes like a Reese's.
Those are good.
Tastes like the mini Reese's. Those are the ones I like. Yes, there's a difference in taste of a regular Reese's and the mini one, the miniature. Yes, there is.
This
Yes,
might
there
get
is.
into that. Reese's is Reese's.
There is because I don't like the big Reese's. The mini
Well,
ones are good.
Well, you're right on that.
It tastes like that. You
The
could have
babies
them
do
though.
taste better.
You like peanut butter.
Oh,
All right. What's your favorite one?
Ooh.
Come here,
For
baby.
real?
Yeah.
I don't know why.
What?
Got how many you pick? Just one?
One
Out of everything,
favorite.
that's hard.
Besides the obvious. Besides,
Gotta go with the cookie.
that's probably
Take truth
So,
to the cookie.
besides jerky, because that's my favorite of everything. I think probably this Idaho's, but it's really good.
You know what? I forgot about the jerky. Let me.
Now you had a taste.
Cookie's good.
Yeah, my cookie. She likes jerkies.
I'm just sick of chips. I don't know why.
Well, the chips are good.
They're good, but I'm not gonna.
Well, anyways, that was our
Awesome. Loved
road
it.
trip.
Loved it. Route
through
66.
states,
Awesome.
Route 66.
Can't get no better than that. It's awesome.
Yeah. So now we're just waiting for October. Hopefully it comes on time this month. I don't know. Let's not get our hopes up though.
It's alright.
But I'm
Leave me out till we
excited.
still gonna eat it.
It's true.
You gotta stop me.
Well, we
Alright.
might get it like in November.
See you guys next time.
Oh, he's just cutting me off. All
Sorry
right, I
about
wasn't
that.
talking.
Sorry about that.
Anyways, everybody, have a happy Halloween, and we will see you
Safe
next month
Halloween.
with our October snack crate.